Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 3D printer is probably one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving technologies available to consumers today, offering a gateway into a world of custom creation, rapid prototyping, and endless possibilities for hobbyists, educators, and entrepreneurs alike, allowing you to bring your digital designs into the physical realm with unprecedented ease and accessibility, making it a truly transformative tool for innovation and personal expression. Number 5. KODAK Plus 4x6 Photo Printer. Introducing the KODAK Plus, a revolutionary home photo printer. It delivers stunning 4x6 prints directly from your smartphone, combining convenience with quality. Simply dock your phone for a stable connection and simultaneous charging while your photos are printed. It's designed for effortless use, even for first-time users. Experience vibrant, long-lasting prints with our 4-pass dye sublimation technology. Each photo is protected with a clear layer, resisting fingerprints, water, and fading. Get your memories printed in approximately 55 seconds. Just power it on, connect via Bluetooth, and start printing your favorite photos instantly. Perfect for your home, this printer is ideal for photo albums, framing, and capturing memories at family events. Enjoy consistent performance for all your printing needs. Enhance your photos before printing with the KODAK Photo Printer app. Edit, crop, and customize your images for creative and personalized results directly from your device. What we like. This printer offers a convenient docking station for your smartphone, allowing you to print directly while charging. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to get instant, high-quality physical photos from your phone, this is the one for you. It's perfect for everyday memories and family events. What people say. It is quick and easy to use. You can connect it via dock or Bluetooth. I chose to use Bluetooth and it was very easy to set up. The first print came out perfect. The benefit of being able to print from my phone means that I can print photos from social media as well. All other pictures have came out amazing. The colors are great and the pictures are crisp and clear. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Introducing the Adventurer 5M series, designed for a truly hassle-free 3D printing experience. Enjoy perfect first layers every time with its one-click automatic leveling, saving you time and effort. Experience printing at an incredible 12x ultra-fast speed, reaching up to 600mm. This allows for significantly reduced production cycles and high precision, perfect for rapid prototyping and mass production. Its smart and efficient design includes quick 3-second nozzle changes and a fast warm-up time. The dual-sided PEI platform ensures easy print removal and adaptability for all your creative projects. Achieve superior print quality with its advanced direct extruder and dual-fan nozzles. Monitor your creations in real time from anywhere using the dedicated mobile app for intelligent and seamless operation. To ensure optimal performance, regular maintenance is recommended. For any troubleshooting needs, the A+ FAQ section is readily available to provide tips and solutions. What we like. Experience lightning-fast 3D printing with its impressive 600mm speed and automatic bed leveling for a perfect first layer every time. If you're a maker or engineer who needs rapid prototyping and efficient production cycles, this printer's speed and ease of use will significantly boost your workflow. What people say. With zero adjustments, no tuning required, no bed leveling, and no drama, the thing just works perfectly. This printer is fast, extremely accurate, and trouble-free. Plug and play. Only unpacking and plugging in the display, followed by automatic calibration. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. Experience printing like never before with a groundbreaking Core XY structure. Achieve incredible speeds and acceleration, perfect for rapid prototyping and high-volume production. Say goodbye to calibration hassles. Our one-click auto-leveling system uses a pressure sensor to ensure perfect nozzle height and flawless first-layer adhesion for every print. This high-temperature direct drive extruder, with its quick-swap nozzles and dual cooling fans, delivers clean details and supports a range of nozzle sizes for optimal results. Monitor and manage your prints remotely with our intuitive app. Enjoy uninterrupted printing thanks to features like power loss recovery and filament runout detection. Embrace customization with its open-source design. It's ideal for a wide range of materials and users, from hobbyists to professionals, especially with the optional enclosure for advanced materials. What we like. This printer boasts an ultra-fast Core XY structure and one-click auto-leveling for consistent, high-quality prints. If you value speed, precision, and smart features like remote monitoring, this is an excellent choice for rapid prototyping and high-volume production. Its open-source nature also appeals to those who like to tinker and upgrade. What people say. Great auto-leveling and filament change. Touch screen easy to use. Software pre-installed and features auto-update if connected to Wi-Fi. No running back and forth to your PC with USB stick or SD card to put prints into printer. Features to send to printer from FlashPrint or Orca FlashPrint. It does have USB port to do so. The vibration calibration is very cool. Leveling is a breeze, as well as few and far between. It's fast. It's so fast at this price. Fantastic little machine starter. Beginner takes a few prints to get used to the temps. I clean and alcohol the heat pad supplied grease to screws and slides. It works flawlessly though. Number 2. X-Maker 3D printer for kids and beginners. Unleash your creativity with this fully assembled 3D printer. Its intuitive design makes it perfect for both kids and beginners to start printing right away. Enjoy the convenience of wireless printing with its Wi-Fi capability. You can also use SD or USB for easy file transfer, making your printing experience seamless. This enclosed printer ensures a safe printing environment by containing fumes. It also features automatic bed leveling and a flexible build plate for easy print removal. Dive into a world of design with included LEGO-style apps and gamified programs. It's designed to ignite imagination and make model creation fun for beginners. Experience incredible detail with high-precision printing up to 0.1 mm. It prints quickly at 160 mm, delivering excellent results with PLA filament. Enjoy your creative process without disruption. Operating below 50 dB, it ensures a quiet environment, perfect for homes or classrooms. What we like. Designed for ultimate ease of use, this printer comes fully assembled with a leveling-free bed and silent operation. If you're a beginner, a parent looking for a kid-friendly option, or someone who needs a quiet printing solution for a shared space, this printer offers a hassle-free and enjoyable creative experience. What people say. The printer arrived fully assembled, and its compact design fits perfectly on my desk, making it a great space saver. Setup was effortless, thanks to the leveling-free feature and magnetic baseplate, which made the process incredibly user-friendly. The easy filament loading had me printing in no time, and a care email with helpful instructional videos ensured I had a smooth and enjoyable experience. The printer delivers precise, high-quality models, especially with intricate designs. I specifically wanted a Wi-Fi capable model so I could remotely monitor and control print jobs, detect failures early, and save both materials and time. Wi-Fi connectivity also allows direct printing from a phone without having to transfer files via USB or SD card. It is working perfectly, and my son is currently printing collapsible katanas for his fidget shop at the school craft fair. It's amazing the things you can print with the X-Maker. Number 1. X-Maker Joy Kids 3D Printer. Embark on your 3D printing adventure with a single click through our smart app. It's perfect for beginners and kids, offering a seamless experience across all your devices. Voice commands make it fun and accessible for everyone. Experience professional-grade results with incredible accuracy and fast printing speeds. Its innovative nozzle design ensures smooth and consistent creations every time. Explore a massive collection of over 1,500 digital designs, updated weekly. With more than 15 themed design modules, the possibilities for customization are endless. Make it uniquely yours. Personalize your creations with printable decorations, allowing for a truly individualized and creative output. Keep an eye on your projects in real time from your smartphone. It even creates automatic time-lapse videos of your creative process, perfect for sharing. Enjoy worry-free printing with its fully enclosed design for maximum safety. The no-leveling platform and high-speed Wi-Fi offer a truly beginner-friendly and wireless experience. Everything you need to start creating is included. This comprehensive kit comes with the printer, filaments, tools, and guides to unleash your imagination right away. What we like. This printer is perfect for kids and beginners, offering a vast library of designs and a built-in camera for real-time monitoring. If you're looking for a fun, educational tool to spark creativity and STEM learning, this printer provides an accessible and engaging way to bring digital designs to life. Its app control and voice commands make it incredibly easy to use. What people say. It is so easy to use that my 10-year-old can do everything himself. The setup was easy and took 10 minutes. It comes with a quick setup guide and a QR code that takes you to a step-by-step video setup. The kids love watching the progress on the app through the built-in camera. Loading and changing the filament is super easy, with the exception that the level is a bit hard to squeeze and it takes 2 to load, 1 to squeeze and 1 to send the filament through. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.